Morning, guys. Not in a mind today, but I need your help. So I was at a yard sale and I found something really cool. Check out this flashlight. The thing is huge. It's taken apart right now. Requires 7 D-cell batteries. And let's see how long it is. So, got my trusty Stanley tape measure. Love this thing. From port to stern, we're looking at right around 19.5 inches or so. Oh, good grief. But here's where I need your help. I replaced the light bulb itself with an LED bulb because when I bought it at a yard sale for $1, it wouldn't turn on. Put fresh batteries in it, it wouldn't turn on. Okay. However, I got the new light bulb and I put it in and it still won't turn on. Okay, so I've got the bulb in. It's on, and I have to get it in the right position now it's not going to work. Okay, so I have to put it in the right position for it to turn on, but the position, let me turn the light back on, but the position is not flush, so that when I put this holding spring coil thingy in, it won't work. Now I don't know what's going on with it. It's got all new batteries, all fresh. All 7. But I can't get them to turn on. Yeah, 7. So let me show you the inside of the flashlight. That's what it looks like on the inside. Okay? I don't know what that brass thing is or that one. So I've got the little hook on the one side, and then I've got that thing on the other side, but I don't know what they're for. You can't take this section apart, but this section twists off, and then this section twists off, and there's a cardboard liner in part of it. It used to be going all the way through, but it was broken and in pretty bad shape, so I just removed it. I don't know if I have to put that back in. And then finally, here's the end. I brushed this off with a wire brush, messed around with the spring a bit, didn't make a difference. So I don't know what to do to fix this thing. So I need your help, like I said. If there's anybody out there who knows anything about this flashlight, sorry, I should probably tell you what it is. It is a Ray'O'Vac. Yeah, Ray'O'Vac Sportsman. It's not going to focus. But it's a Ray'O'Vac Sportsman's circa, I think, the 1960s. That's the best date I could find for it. I really don't know too much about it, other than it's really cool. Oh, and it comes with this leather strap right here. Sorry, I've got all my YouTube charging stuff right there and the cord's getting in the way. But it's got this leather strap, and it's just overall so cool of a light. I couldn't pass it up for $1, but I really wanted to get it to work so that I can try it out in a mine. So I need your help. Please, if you know anything about these flashlights, if there's something on here that's just missing or bent the wrong way or shouldn't be there, let me know. If there's something up with the light, let me know. I mean, I don't know anything about these. It's got a little crack right there. It's broken, I don't know if you can tell. But that shouldn't make a difference. And then this spring here has got this plastic sheathing over half of it. I don't know if that goes on the bottom or if it goes on the top. I just don't know anything about it. So again, guys, I need your help. If you know anything about these, please let me know, because I really want to get it to work. By the way, cool find coming up tomorrow? No, Saturday. Yeah, today's not Friday. Today's Wednesday. Anyway, by the way, cool, right? And I got a special one I got to show you. This is a custom, so I got the Miner 49er logo on the front, but then I've also got the Exploring with Bear in the back. Pretty excited about that. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to watch the video and dropping a comment. Please, if you know anything about this that could help me fix it, I'd really like to know. I have no idea what to do with it. I've messed around with it as much as my knowledge permits me to, and I just don't know what to do with it anymore. So let me know. Take care, and I will see you on Saturday.